Alright, to begin, let's go over to the effects library. Then select titles from the toolbox. Drag a text title onto your timeline. Then drag another text title right after your first one on the timeline. Alright, I'm just going to keep my first text color as white, but feel free to change it over in the inspector if you want. Now let's select our second text clip on the timeline and go up to the inspector. In here, change the color to one of your choice. I'm going to change mine to red. Okay, now you should have two text clips right next to each other with two different colors. Now let's go back under the toolbox and select Video Transitions. Drag the Cross Dissolve transition between your two clips on the timeline. Okay, and now when I play this back, my text changes from white to red. You can change the duration of the transition simply by dragging its end. Alright, and that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.